Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Nandito ako ngayon sa Boracay. I'll be spending the weekend here. So yeah, yun lang. Anyway, I'm staying at the Savoy. This is my room. I'll give you a room tour. Tapos pagpasok mo ganyan, on your left is the bathroom. Ayan. Shower. Spacious naman yung shower. Maganda siyang shower. Tapos here, you have like full-length mirror. Tapos dito yung parang closet or rack or whatever. And this is my bed. I have two bed. My TV. And then this is the minibar na walang laman. Yeah. And then my sitting area here. Tapos, my view is the street. Yeah. I have my balcony here. And it's here in Boracay. Medyo babagyo. So, yeah, that's the room tour. Katulad ng sabi ko, I'll be spending the weekend here in Boracay. So, follow along kung anong mga ganap this weekend. Or kung ano mga pagagagawin ko. Actually, wala naman talaga akong gagawin except that I wanted to go to the beach. So, yeah. And, yeah. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and please share this video. Like this video. You can also follow me on my social media. I will be putting the link in the description box below. Or I'll be putting my name here or somewhere here. Yeah. So, yeah. I'll see you when I see you. Yes. And do you have Coke Zero? Yes. That's it, thank you. Yes. Room charge, please. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you. So, guys, nag-order lang ako ng room service because it's past 11 na ng gabi and there's no way na lalabas pa ako to eat, to have dinner. So, yeah. I just got burger and fries. Hey guys, good morning. It's officially my first day in Boracay. The only day I have in Boracay. So, yeah, let's go to breakfast. Tawag kamay sama na gitu. Guys, welcome sa mabagyong Boracay. Parang wala tayong magawa. Look at that. Sobrang lakas ng alon. Nag-saving ako dyan. I'm pretty sure na lang kung pinakita. naglalakad-lakad ako dito sa beach. Relax. So yun, naglalakad-lakad ako sa beach kasi wala talaga mga gulo. I don't know kung pag ganitong season, anong mga activities na meron dito sa Boracay. Kanina yung offer na ako ng mga TV. I've done that yung mga tour dito sa island. I've done that before. So parang not interested. I'm thinking massage, spa. Yeah, baka ganun na lang gawin ko ngayon kasi parang wala talagang magagawa. So yun guys, nakabalik na ako sa hotel. Kagagaling ko dun sa beach, dun sa White Beach. Tinagalan ko na dun kasi malayo to eh, itong Savoy. And ang pamasahe going in and out dito sa sobrang mahal. 300 yung pamasahe from here to the mall. So kaya hindi ako nagbalik-balik. Sinulit ko na yung beach. Anyway, malakas ang bagyo doon. Buti na lang nung bandang humapon na. Parang nag-low tide yata. So, humina naman ng konti. Yung mga alon. Pwede mo nag-swim. Nung umaga kasi, talagang hindi pwedeng mag-swim kasi ang lalaki ng mga alon doon. But anyway, back at the hotel. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. By the way guys, meron milk tea. May gongcha dun sa may sa may baba. So, yeah. Parang boring nito. Parang boring itong biyahe na to. Hindi ko alam kung may mako-content. Hindi ko alam kung may mako-content ito. Kung makakabuo ng isang vlog to. Kasi walang nangyayari. I had a massage kanina. Okay lang. Tapos, yung lunch ako dun sa The Mall. Hindi masyadong masarap. So, for dinner, hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. I'm thinking of eating dun sa mga restaurant. Kasi dito, sa Savoy, guys, parang may mall. Maliit, konti lang. May mga few stores doon. So, may baba. Nakikita may mga gongcha, may mga restaurants. I think may Wolfgang. Of course, hindi ako doon kakain because I can't afford that. Ano pa ba? Basta kanina may mga nakita akong mga restaurant doon na parang interesting. So, baka doon ako kumain ng dinner later. Ayoko mag-room service kasi yung selection hindi ko mga gusto. Or, makapunta ako ulit ako ng The Mall. Kaya lang, pumunta ako ng The Mall, 300 yung pamasahe ko going to The Mall. So, yung pabalik ko, 300 na naman. So, parang, diba, 600 agad yun. Pang dinner. pang dinner na yun. Kaya guys, hindi ko ma-recommend tong hotel na to kung gusto nyo yung area dun sa may beach doon, sa may White Beach. Medyo malayo siya. Although may shuttle, kaya lang, every hour lang yata. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung schedule ng shuttle. Basta every hour lang yata yung shuttle. So, yeah. Pero, kung gusto nyo lang yung mga relax na bakasyon, you don't want to go dun sa masyadong maraming turista, okay ito. Kasi, meron dun sa parang sariling beach dyan eh. Nakita ko naman na yun before kasi I've stayed dito sa area sa Fairways. Parang yun din yata yung stretch ng beach nila. So, yeah. I think okay kung ganun. Plus, they have 2 swimming pools here. Kung gusto nyo relax, walang activity, walang okay ito. But if you want yung area dun sa The Mall, yung activity dun sa may dagat, or magbaba dun sa dagat sa White Beach, hindi ko ma-recommend tong hotel na to. Kasi magastos. Magastos yung papunta doon. Papunta, pabalik, diba? Like, imagine, balikan 600. Kakain ka ng dinner. So, on top of your dinner, kunyari yung dinner mo is around 1,000. Naging 1,600 yung dinner mo kasi doon ka kumain sa Mall. So guys, I just came from dinner. I had taco. Guys, if ever mapunta kayo dito sa Boracay, I suggest you try the Mexican restaurant dito sa may Savoy because they're really good. Their tacos are really good. I had 3 different kind of taco. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. And guys, by the way, makita mo yan, mumula-mula ako kasi I had margarita. Basta guys, they have the best taco. So far, parang yun ang pinakamasarap na taco na try ko dito sa Philippines. Hey guys, good morning. So, tulad na sinabi ko. They have, the Savoy have their own, like, private little beach or cove in here. Ito yun. Mas maganda pala siya kasi dun sa beach ng Fairways. Tapos nandito siya. Ayan o. I think yung Fairways nandyan. Diyan sa pagkalagpas ng parang arc na yan. Nandun yung Fairways. So yeah, parang mas maganda yung beach dito. Kasi talagang medyo secluded. Yung mga guests lang yata yung may access dito. And yung taga Belmont. I think yung taga Belmont will be coming from here. It's going papunta dito. So yeah, yun lang. So yun guys, tapos na ako mag-beach. It's 8 o'clock now. Mag-prepare na lang ako to head to the airport. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and also follow me on my social media account. From the beach, walking distance lang naman yung hotel. Kasi kanina nag-shuttle ako, kaya lang parang bilis lang naman nung din-drive nung nasasakyan. But yeah, you can walk from the hotel to the beach. Nice beach siya, mas maganda siya compared dun sa beach ng Fairways kasi mas finer yung sand. Also, katulad sabi ko, nandito pala yung Belmont. So mas malapit yung Belmont kaysa dun sa Savoy sa beach. So kung deal breaker sa inyo yun, mag Belmont na lang kayo. Yeah, I'm walking towards the hotel now. Yeah, I'll see you on another travel vlog. Bye.